In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Notion using Para method. This system separates your information into four clear buckets: projects, areas, resources, and archives, so you always know where to put things and where to find them. It keeps active work up front, long-term responsibilities in view, reference materials within reach, and completed items out of the way. Open Notion and create a central dashboard to run your whole setup. In the left sidebar, click the plus icon labeled New Page. This creates a fresh workspace page. Name it something clear like Para Dashboard. This will be your main hub, helping you stay consistent so you spend less time hunting for information and more time getting work done. On this dashboard, add four main sections. Type/heading 1 to create headings for projects, areas, resources, and archive. These will act like anchors on the page, and they'll guide what belongs where. Here's a quick refresher. Projects are short-term efforts with a clear end date, like launching a campaign or writing an article. Areas are ongoing responsibilities you maintain over time, such as finance, health, or marketing. Resources are your reference materials, notes, articles, templates, guides, or research. Archive is where you store completed or inactive items that don't need daily attention but might be useful later. Now turn each section into a database so you can track items consistently. Under each heading, click below it and type/table inline to create an inline database. Repeat this under all four headings so each category has its own table. To make your system consistent, standardize the columns across all four databases. Rename them to name, description, status, tags, and notes. Use name for the title of the item, description for quick context, status for progress indicators like to do, in progress, or complete, tags for topics or priorities, and notes for links, ideas, or next steps. Keeping these fields consistent makes moving items between categories simple. Add your first entries. In projects, create active initiatives like website refresh. In areas, list ongoing responsibilities such as personal finance or content calendar. In resources, add your frequently used guides, tools, or references. Leave archive empty for now or move completed items there later. For fast navigation, create quick access links at the top of the page. Type / and choose link to view, then link each of the four databases. Rename each link clearly so you can identify them at a glance. These shortcuts turn your dashboard into a centralized command center. As you use the system, review and refine it, adjust fields, add entries, or reorganize sections to match your workflow. Your Para dashboard is now set up to keep everything organized, accessible, and easy to manage in Notion. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.